Marco here. No sugarcoating today. We're starting with $75 and pushing for $500 live. That will be a risk, pressure, and some heavy market moves. Hit the subscribe button. You're about to see real trading, raw and uncut. Check the description, my Telegram channels there, where sessions like this aren't rare, they are the standard. Theory won't make you money. I'm jumping on the platform and you better stay right there. Alright, we're on the platform, let's set things up right away. First, go to chart types and switch to candles. Then set the time frame to 1 minute. Now head to the indicators, turn on the awesome oscillator. Settings are on screen. Today I'm trading dinar to yuan with a 92% payout. We're starting with a $75 per trade, 1 minute duration. Let's get this session started. First put trade for $75, the chart shows a steady upward move, but the last few candles are losing momentum. The current candle is significantly smaller. That's a sign of a trend weakness. At the same time, the histogram starts shrinking and flips from green to red. The indicator is showing a loss of bullish momentum. Trade closed successfully. $144 locked in. Nice! We caught the pullback right on trend weakness. Opening the second put trade, $144. On the chart, price makes a sharp push up, but the next candle prints with a strong upper wick, a first hint of a fake breakout. Meanwhile, the histogram is still green, but shrinking. Bulls are losing steam despite the sudden spike. Yeah, profit secured. $276 on this one. Solid. Quick entry on momentum. Slow down, paid off clean. You can keep watching others make money or get inside the game. In my Telegram channel, we trade real setups as a team. Every entry point comes with a breakdown. Strategies are tested. Signals are live. Get in while the channel is still open. Final put trade for $276. After a strong climb, the market hits a new local high, but immediately prints a reversal candle with a long upper wick. That's a clear sign buyers are starting to take profits. Trade wraps up strong, plus $529 profit. Solid result for today. What do you think? Did you like this one? That's how the session went. Adrenaline, logic, and results. If you are vibing with this style, hit subscribe and jump into the Telegram channel. It's more than just strategies in there. This was Marco. See you next time.